Hey guys, what's going on? This is a Clojure tutorial. Well, let's just get started. So first off, you want to have IntelliJ, and we want to go down here. We want to go down to plugins, and you're going to type in cursive, and you're going to, I already have it installed, so it says installed right here, but you're going to want to install this so we can work with Clojure. So once that's installed, we're going to create a new project. We're going to go to Bear Project. Next, I'm going to just call this tutorial. Hit finish. Yes, we can overwrite it. That's fine. Give that a minute. Alright. We're going to want to come in here, create ourselves a Clojure namespace. I'm just going to call my main, and there we go. Also, we're going to be wanting to use the REPL, so we're going to want to go up to Add Configurations, go to the plus down to the left, go down to Clojure REPL, and we're going to want to create a local one. I'm just going to call mine REPL. You can name it whatever you like. Hit Apply, then hit OK. And bada bing, we have our REPL now. And it should show up right here. I'm going to hit play up here just so it starts up. And the importance of this REPL is so we can test code before we actually use it. So example, if I have a function, or if I'm using this bit of code, 2, 3, 4, 5, map is actually a really good function. It can basically map a function to a list. So if for example, this is increment, so when I put this in the REPL and hit enter, it'll have the output of it, which is really helpful, so you can test code whenever you want, essentially. You can do this with other functions, so let's try this with another function called reduce, and we're going to copy that and put that in there. And it's going to get mad at me. But that's okay, because if we don't know what reduce does, we can go to the Clojure docs, which is a very, very helpful website. Clojure docs is by far the best thing for Clojure ever. So let's figure out how to use reduce. So it should be 2 arguments, blah, blah, blah. Let's try out one of the examples. So in this case, this is how it's supposed to be used. So it has a mathematical function and a list. And it basically just adds up the whole list. Now, I can go through all these functions, but this tutorial is just kind of short and sweet, kind of to show you the nice things about Clojure and what you can kind of do with it and how to get started. That's what it's really here for. So, yeah. That's it.